Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tables from OpenAI to Notion. First, we'll get ChatGPT to generate the table you need. Start by asking for the data itself, describe the columns you want, and provide a short example if you have one. Once the content looks right, follow up with a clear prompt like, "Format this as a markdown table," or "Convert to CSV format." Both options organize your data into clean, structured text. Markdown is perfect for quick copy-paste into Notion pages, while CSV is great if you want to create or update a full database in Notion. If you choose Markdown, make sure the output includes a header row, a separator line made of dashes, and then the data rows. When you are happy with it, highlight the entire table in ChatGPT. Copy it and paste it directly into a Notion page. Notion recognizes standard Markdown tables and will convert them into a native table block automatically. If it pastes as plain text, double fact-check that you copied only the table, not extra commentary, and that the column separator bars and the header divider line are intact. You can then adjust column widths or edit any cells right inside Notion. If you'd rather go the CSV route, ask ChatGPT to output the data as a CSV block. This means each value is separated by commas, with one row per line, and text that contains commas is wrapped in quotes. Copy this CSV text and save it as a CSV file using any plain text editor. Give it a short, memorable file name and make sure the extension is CSV. Now open Notion. Go to Settings and Members, then choose Import. Select CSV, pick your saved file, and let Notion process it. Notion will create a database from your CSV with columns based on the headers and rows based on your data. After the import, scan the result to confirm headers look correct, and that numbers, dates, and text are in the right columns. You can always tweak column types afterward. To recap, use Markdown if you want a fast paste into an existing page, and use CSV when you want a structured database or plan to import a lot of rows at once. Both methods start with ChatGPT formatting the data and end with a clean table in Notion, ready for you to organize, filter, and share. Thanks for watching.